So these inflatables are finally up here at Walmart. You can see there the archway, and there's a big old Christmas tree. There's the flat snowman, and right there you can see the twisting penguin, and you can kind of see Santa. We're gonna have to step back to be able to see him, right? There's a nativity scene, can't really see it, and then there's like a reindeer tipping over an outhouse.
Santa.
Yeah. Here's a better view. There's Santa inside the outhouse, and there's a reindeer tipping him over. See? Gross. And then the nativity scene. Oh, look, see? The nativity scene, and there's the Santa in the sleigh. Check it out, guys. We found some more of the $14.98 inflatables here. You can see there's like a little mini T-Rex there. Oh my gosh, I need to get that one. And then here you could see Santa and an elf. And then over here is more Santa and elf, but over here I saw a toucan. Look, that's weird. And then there's the standing up unicorn, and then there's a pretty cute polar bear.
The T-Rex with the Santa hat?
Yes, I like the T-Rex with the Santa hat. And look, there's a hippo. You know, like that song, I want hippopotamus for Christmas. But I want this.
The little shark.
We're gonna get this shark, guys.
Hey, we're home.
So what do we got, Aaron?
This. Have this inflatable. So we bought this at Walmart.
Yeah, we got this one at Walmart, so we're gonna unbox it to see what it looks like.
Christmas shark.
Yeah, 3, 4,
0.5, yeah, 3.5 feet. Or almost 3.5.
This is the plug on the little good jacket's plug, right?
Yeah.
Or not, something else, right?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we got it. Inflatable.
Alright, so here is what the shark looks like before you inflate him.
Ready?
Ready? There we go. Help him stand up, Aaron.
Is he like small?
Look at the little Christmas hat on the back of his face.
Look, he's small. Look.
Yeah, he's small.
Tinier than you.
So this shark has to be, you know, a little less than 3.5, but I don't know. It's real small.
It's
You could see
3.5.
3.5. He has his big teeth smiling. You can see the shark is popping out of a gift, and you can see his Santa hat on top of his little fin. How cute is that?
I thought it was gonna be up here.
You thought it was gonna be on top on his nose?
No, on top of it. Hey, he should be like animated because he has...
Yeah, he should be animated, but he's not. He was very inexpensive at $15. So there is his fin. And so we like him. He's very cute. This is how he looks from the side.
Really tiny fan, I feel like.
We forgot it too. See how he glows in the dark.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the light and see what he looks like in the dark. Whoa, here he is. Now we do have the Christmas lights on, but he does look super cool. His present looks really cool. If you want, we can turn the lights off. You want to turn the lights off?
Sure, yes.
Alright guys, here is what he looks like with no lights, no Christmas lights in the background. And he looks pretty good. I like him. Look at his red tongue, and you can see he kind of lights up the wall blue. Looks really cool. Alright. We hope you guys like our new inflatable Christmas shark. We like him. We're going to name him Bob. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.